Hello, and welcome to Michael's Baths, your #1 go-to for bathroom replacements in Winfield, Missouri. Are you growing tired of your outdated bathroom design? Would you like a brand new bathroom installed by professionals? If so, and you live in Winfield, Missouri, then you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local bathroom replacement service, and we pride ourselves on being reliable, professional, and affordable. We're fully insured and licensed, and we can help you design and install the bathroom of your dreams. Contact us now for a free, no-obligation consultation on the replacement of your bathroom. Thank you for watching. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Go ahead and scan the QR code now to get a free quote. What are you waiting for? Scan the QR code now and you can get a free quote as early as tomorrow.